was not getting any purchase orders, meaning was now not getting any work regarding the contract that he had with the South African Police Service. So the narrative that Matlala is presenting, it is a narrative of a corrupt officer, which is, in his case, it is Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, who wants Matlala to assist him to convince the person to withdraw the charges of torture, whilst Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi will be assisting Mkhethi Matlala with his contract, the contract that he has with the South African Police Service. But what Mkhethi Matlala does not realize that Mkhwanazi is tricking him here, because it is the very same team that reports to Mkhwanazi that raided Mkhethi Matlala's home and raided Mkhethi Matlala's business offices in December. And they later on arrested him in May.